Tired of having several pots and spending a fortune on them? What if I tell you that you can have one pot that functions as everything? In fact, I challenge you to do an entire feast using one main kitchen tool. Seems far-fetched, right? Well, not quite. The Orca pot is the greatest innovation and shape-shifting tool that will upgrade your kitchen experience. It can withstand high temperatures that is suitable for all kinds of food, as its unique square design allows proper heat distribution. Unlike other pots, Orca pot helps preserve the food's nutrients and iron, so you can cook everything you want in it. You can steam, boil, fry, simmer, grill, saute, and even bake in it. In fact, you can make popcorn. It works perfectly with all kinds of stoves: gas, electric, induction, ceramic, and oven. You can even take it on your camping trips. What if you crave a slow roasted meal? You can lock 2 sets of Orca pot and et voila, you now have a Dutch oven to make bread or juicy meat. And whatever you make in it, even on those cold days, it's gonna stay warm because it maintains its heat for a long time. You can use the lid to make a cooking pot. This makes Orca pot the best kitchenware anyone can own. To extend your Orca pot's lifetime, it's triple seasoned to protect its non-stick surface so it's easily cleaned. Something like this needs proper care, so make sure you season it periodically with any vegetable oil. You'd think it's super expensive with all these specs, right? But it's very economical and durable, making it a pot that lasts for generations. Now, let's enjoy the feast. Orca pot, one pot fits all.